Africa's nonsense. You have to know that every fruit tree was once a wild tree. Every crop was once a wild crop. There is nothing called a wild fruit. It is a huge task. Please take this task and continue giving our people the dignity. That marula is a fruit, just like apple is a fruit. Just matamba is a fruit, just like oranges are a fruit. In Zimbabwe, we transformed our education system to heritage-based education 5.0 with 5 pillars: teaching, research, community service, innovation and industrialization. Based on our heritage, you cannot build your house using soil from elsewhere. You will never finish that house. Zimbabwe has undergone deep transformation in the education system, Your Excellency. The drive of this transformation is that we are looking for justice and prosperity of our peoples, a conscious African need. The target is modernization and industrialization of our country, being led by His Excellency Dr. E.G. Mnangagwa, the President of the Second Republic. His Excellency's vision is to make a higher tertiary education institution core in driving this national vision and taking the message of our forefathers on the African continent. Using heritage-based education 5.0 framework, we are conscious that we shall build using the soil of this country. We are conscious that we shall build using the trees of this country. We believe that we can heal ourselves using the trees of this country. That's why medicine is called the Muti. That's where we get our medicine. Let's have leadership from you, graduates, that understands the real issues around the struggles of Africa, that understands that language, the professor of language is your mother, that talking English, Portuguese, Spanish is not education, it's a language. The knowledge, skills, and values and attitudes we have acquired during your time at African University are powerful tools, but they are only meaningful if you use them to make a positive difference in the lives of others.
As a son of Africa, a continent rich in diversity, resilience, and potential. When I read this word potential, I have two kinds of feeling. Is that I would wish that it continues to be potential, but I would wish also and more than it to be potential, a wealthy. Because we have to go up and not always admire our potential wealth. Already now we have this potential of best resource, which is becoming now a useful tool, and the better resource is the human capital and the CPR. In this university that we are on the right direction, we are being less potential but to be more concrete. Throughout my life, I had the privilege of witnessing both the triumphs and the trials of our continent. And it is this deep-stated love for Africa that fuels my passion and my commitment to its future. Having served as the President of Mozambique during a pivotal moment in our nation's history, I had the honor to lead my country through a period of profound transformations, from ashes of conflict to peace and prosperity. It was a journey fraught with daunting challenges, but also one filled with hope and resilience and the unwavering determination of our people. But the history of Africa is not one of either victory or defeat. It is a story of resilience in the face of adversity, of courage in the face of uncertainty, and of hope in the face of despair. It is a story that is still being written through the actions of every African. As I look out upon this audience, filled with bright minds and bold dreams of our continent, I am reminded of the profound responsibility that rests upon your shoulders. You have the responsibility of moving the continent forward.
Ropovadzo anakreta mapenda. Michel Marashe Mafusiri. The recipient of the Vice Chancellor's first class cash prize, Pere Brothers cash prize for the best undergraduate student, Mukamganwi, CBZ holding prize for the best undergraduate